Snaps. Oh, please stop! I can't. Oh yeah. We actually need to shovel.
Go crazy! Go crazy!
Just do it. Just do it. Bubbles.
Stop pushing me! Stop pushing me! Stop pushing me!
Rock.
Oh, you pushed me off.
Fuck you. Stop. There we go.
No.
No one.
Shit, rocking. What are you doing to animals? Get that shit away from me.
Shoving it in my hands.
You fuck them, you fuck. Shut up.
On your left, on your left, on your left!
Oh my god, I'm gonna die from this motherfucking bird. It's a bird and it took my loot. Oh, it's coming after me. Oh, fuck it.
Where's the ladder?
Wait, who has a walkie-talkie?
Why did you say that?
I'm a goofy little guy.
The fuck? Why? Where'd you go?
If you go at the
let's
same
give it a
time,
few
you can probably
seconds.
whack it.
No, the best thing to do is you jump on a railing or somewhere above the
Yeah.
ground, so it can't get you. Just give it a few seconds to go away from the entrance.
The two of them are planning to destroy the thumper.
It's not staying at
What the fuck?
That appears they have
What?
patched that.
Apparently. Fuck. Seriously. Shit.
You walk right past this area.
Get away from me!
Rob, chase him.
Go ahead, boy. Bring back that ass. Give me that
Where'd he
ass.
go?
Yeah, give me that ass. Wait.
He got shot.
How did he collect that knock so far? Oh! I closed it.
It can still shoot you through the door, hey, so if it triggers, it can...
I'm gonna try it. Stop! Stop!
The fuck?
Stop.
Jesus Christ, why now?
Okay, guys, clear. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Are you ready?
Okay.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay. Rock needs a shovel. Come with the shovel. Rock, come here.
I can't.
Rock with the shovel.
Wait.
Come, yeah.
Oh!
Beat him. Kill it.
Got it.
Yeah.
Can't see anything. Oh!
I'm taking this back to the fire exit.
Why is someone you already injured?
Guys.
Guys.
Okay.
What?
Oh,
That's
no.
unfortunate.
Yeah, not bad.
Nah, I'm still alive. Look.
Oh, you were still.
Oh.
Wait, what?
Fuck you, we're still alive?
I was the sacrifice for the bees.
Dude, what the freak?
We just sit here and wait for one of them to notice.
Yeah,
I'm gonna make weird sounds every time they walk past. I wait for them to notice. Okay. Oh yeah?
Yo.
What the fuck? It's like I heard you guys like what happened?
Oh.
That's another one.
Go Fiction, you can do it.
No! I'm gonna die. Okay.
Hey.
Okay.
I'm gonna say the behind.
Who's gonna be the failure?
Balance.
You have to jump. No, I lose.